Abalone is a must-have for high-end Chinese restaurants, and now you can enjoy abalone at home, anytime. This is Jack's Captain's Premium Abalone, flash frozen in convenient packaging. To prepare, first cut the gut of the abalone away and then score it in thin lines with a knife as shown. Then add the prepared garlic sauce, vermicelli, and the seasonings. Wrap everything in tin foil, put it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. These premium abalones are delicious in the flavorful sauce. Jack's Captain's globalized seafood feast from 26 countries.